And a good day, everyone. Time now for weather news with J7409. The name you know, the news you can lose. We're looking at Tropical Tidbits map of the GFS blocked out here, and I want to thank them for putting it up so we can use it. Also, we're going to talk about now what's going on today through Sunday and what you can expect. Well, as we all know, heavy rain possible from parts of southern plains area northeastward to the eastern Ohio Valley. Heavy snow is possible over parts of the upper Mississippi Valley, upper Great Lakes, and heavy snow is possible over the Cascades and northern Rockies. Now, we still got some freezing rain that's going to be possible to happen over parts of interior New England. Now, a storm over the upper Great Lakes, upper Mississippi Valley will move northeastward into southeastern Canada over tonight. The system pulls a front extending roughly from the western Ohio Valley to the western Gulf Coast that will move eastward off the northeast northern mid-Atlantic coast, then westward to a wave of low pressure over the middle Mississippi Valley by tomorrow evening. Now, snow will develop over parts of the northern plains to the upper Mississippi Valley, upper Great Lakes region that will lift northeastward into Canada by Friday evening tonight, and showers and thunderstorms will develop along and ahead of the front of the western Gulf Coast and southern plains area to the Ohio Valley that will lift northward into parts of the middle lower Mississippi Valley by tonight. Additional showers and thunderstorms will also develop over parts of the central Gulf Coast by tonight. In addition to all that, rain, more rain will develop over parts of the central Appalachians into the mid-Atlantic that will move into parts of the northeast by tonight also, with some snow developing over parts of northern Maine. Now, the rain should move off the northeast coast and northern mid-Atlantic coast by tomorrow morning, and a region of rain and freezing rain will develop over parts of interior New England today and tonight. Meanwhile, we have a developing wave of low pressure over the southern high plains, and it's going to be moving northeastward to the middle Mississippi Valley by tomorrow night, and the associated front will move from the southern Rockies and southwest northeastward to the middle Mississippi Valley, western Gulf Coast by tomorrow evening. The storm will produce snow over parts of the Great Basin, southwest, and central Rockies that will move northeastward into parts of the central plains and central southern Rockies by tomorrow morning. The snow will continue to move into parts of the northern plain, upper Mississippi Valley by tomorrow night. Now, overnight tonight, showers and thunderstorms will develop along and ahead of the associated boundary over the southern plains that will move to the middle lower Mississippi Valley by tomorrow night. Elsewhere, we have two areas of upper level energy that's going to move into the Pacific Northwest overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, continuing into parts of the northern Intermountain region, Great Basin area by tomorrow night. Additionally, onshore flow will develop over the Pacific Northwest on today, continuing into tomorrow night. The energy and onshore flow will aid in producing coastal rain and higher elevation snow over parts of the Pacific Northwest and to parts of the northern Rockies by tonight. The snow will also expand into parts of the northern central Rockies and northern California Great Basin by tomorrow and tomorrow night. Coastal rain will also move into parts of northern California tomorrow into tomorrow evening. I cannot stress enough about the flooding. This is not watches and advisories or even warnings anymore. This is what's happening, people. I can't go through all of them. If you live in a flood-prone area where all of the rain is falling, which I'll bring up a map again, make it bigger so you can see, please take precautions. Okay, this was in from the National Weather Service early this morning. It lasts until 9:45 Central Standard Time. This is a routine high water event which will result in lowland flooding along the river in Hot Spring County. The current flow rate from the Rummel Dam is 30,400 cubic feet per second. Initial impacts from this dam release will reach the bridge on Interstate 30 near Malvern, I hope I said that correct, within 1 to 2 hours, with maximum impacts occurring within the next 2 to 3 hours. Initial impacts will reach Donaldson within the next 3 to 6 hours, with the maximum impacts occurring within the next 6 to 8 hours. Impacts will reach Friendship in about 10 to 12 hours. Livestock and property should be moved out of the floodplain. Flooded roadways should be avoided. You need to move your livestock right here. Livestock and property should be moved out of the floodplain. Flooded roadways should be avoided. And locations in the warning include but are not limited to areas along the river near Oak Grove, Midway, Friendship, and Jones Mill. This entire area, that is this deep dark red, this area was included in the areas that I was talking about, the counties that, some of the counties that I was just talking about with the flooding going on. This entire red area with these counties in it, you folks need to pay strict high attention today and tonight as this system moves off. And of course, these are warnings and advisories in the green. You can see how far they go up there from Texas all the way up to Pennsylvania. Come on, people. I don't want to show people flooded out videos anymore. I don't want to show videos of people that's got stranded. Last I heard, the count was 3 that had died. It may be more than that now. So please, don't go through this high water. Do what you are asked to do, because the water, it don't play with you, people. It's the way it is. It'll get you. Turn around. Don't drown. We still have a blizzard warning that is in effect until 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time tomorrow, Saturday. Ground blizzard is expected. Okay? And where is it for? It's for locations including Logan Pass, Marais Pass, Browning, Hart, Butt, Cutbank, Bynum, Augusta, all of these areas in the northern Rocky Mount Front, Eastern Glacier area, and southern Rocky Mountain area. Okay? Ground blizzard is expected with winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. It's going to cause whiteout conditions and blowing snow. Significant drifting of the snow is likely. Accumulations of up to 2 inches are expected over the mountains. The northern Rocky Mountain front, which includes western Glacier County. This also includes eastern Glacier County and the southern Rocky Mountain front area. That's where you can expect this, and it should last until 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time tomorrow. Travel will be very dangerous to impossible, as roads may become impassable. Drifting snow may trap people in homes and strand travelers on the road. Cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. If you don't have to be in this area, please, please don't be. The heaviest of the thunderstorm activity this morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is looking like they are in parts of Illinois, Kentucky, and northwestern Tennessee. We'll move the timeline up some. Here we go. As we can see the time moving across, these storms do seem to move some. We'll go to 5 p.m. this afternoon. They leave the northern sections and head south, with the heaviest looking like they're going to be down in Louisiana and Alabama. Now, none of this is wrote in stone. It can change, as you know. When we get up to 11 p.m. tonight, then they move up to portions of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama. Keep this in mind. This is just where the heaviest of thunderstorms are looking like at this time. will go up to around 6 a.m. tomorrow morning as they head back north as these systems keep moving around, just like I explained to you earlier. This is where the heaviest thunderstorms are looking at this time, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning, Tennessee, Kentucky, and parts of Arkansas. And we'll just take a quick look right now as we wind this up this morning of where the systems are. Of course, we have the snow up north and some out west in these areas. Here's the rain that's carrying on. Ohio, you look swamped. All areas of Ohio, as of 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, should be getting something, if it's not anything more than a sprinkle. This is what it's looking like at this time. So we'll move up to around lunchtime today. You can see the system move, and that ice line, that freezing rain line that I was talking about, by lunchtime today will be moving into parts of New York. As you can see where the purple is right here, along with some rain. It looks like a mixed bag, mostly for New York all together there. We will move on down till around 5 p.m. this afternoon. Systems moving up, ice moving up to Maine, Vermont, and New Hampshire. Rain mostly on the coast here in Connecticut and Massachusetts. This is where the heavier thunderstorms will be, just like the map was showing. And we will get up to around 10 p.m. tonight. As this system moves off, Maine will have that mixed bag of snow to the north, ice down right at the edge below it with rain on the coast, and we got some ice over here. These storms are moving. This storm is moving in, so please, you guys, be careful. With all of that said, if you have a flood watch, advisory, or warning in your area, please keep on top of it, especially if you live in a low-lying area, close to a river or a tributary or even a big ditch bank. This stuff happens, people. And remember, don't go through the water. Turn around. I'm not trying to sound cliche. Just turn around and go back. With all of this said, people, be careful out there. Much peace and love to all of you. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate that so much. I'm trying to build up my subscribers account before hurricane season gets here, so I can help keep people safe during that time. So thank you so much for subscribing, telling your friends, your family, your neighbors to subscribe now, so they'll already be subscribed. Don't forget to click the bell so my videos will go straight to you. Thanks for the upvotes, the comments. I love you guys. Thanks for everything you do. Keep your eyes on the sky and everything around you.